Oh man, my expandable garden hose broke. Is there a way to fix it? Stay with me and you will find out. You need to find the spot where you can feel the hose, and then you just cut it and pull out the remaining hose so that you have some room to work with. You want to pull back the outer fabric as much as you can so that you have a pretty tight outside shell. Next I'm going to try to loosen this here. So there's a kind of a hex nut inside. I just stuffed my pliers in here. It worked well. It wasn't too tight. And then loosen it. Now you see the hose is crimped to this plastic piece. You're going to need to get this crimp off here. Let's see how this looks like. Yeah, that's what I thought. The hose is built like this. You have the this nozzle here that's pushed in here. You have the flex hose inside of this fabric hose and rubber over it. You have the metal ring which also goes over the whole thing. Then the hose goes over here. Then the fabric goes over the hose. So if you don't put the fabric over the hose, then this is gonna happen. So fabric over the hose. It's like a bicycle tire. You need the outer tire to protect the tube inside so that it doesn't explode. That's basically what it is. You can screw them together. This is how it was. The problem is you cannot get a crimp ring around it that's not in the way of this metal sleeve unless you have the proper tool. So I will get rid of this to keep the nozzle in place. I have such a ring here. I don't think we need the washer. So this goes on here and now it holds it tight. It's probably somewhere in the plumbing supply. You can also use a 1/2 inch PVC pipe and just drill a hole. It fits as well. Or what I did 3D print a part and it fits nicely right there. What I'm going to do now is I put the inner tube over it, followed by the outer fabric. Now I have a few options. I can use a hose clamp. This is a little big. I can use a crimp ring if you have the tool and the stuff for it. Or I'm just using a zip tie because I believe that most of you guys will own a zip tie at home. So remember there's a little bevel here. So we're gonna make use of that. Put the zip tie around here. And then we'll see if this holds the pressure of the water going through. Water's on. Yes, pressure is building. Awesome. Looks pretty good. Oh no! It doesn't work. It doesn't hold. This time I'm using a crimp ring for 1/2 inch pipe. All right, let's test it out. Looking good, looking good. Look at the snake coming alive here. All right, still holding up. Still holding up. Exciting. All right, let's try it. It's working. Look at this. So the cable clamp or the hose clamp, that's the way to go, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. See ya.